This morning is the heaviest of the rainfall that we will see all day long, but we will have rain all day long. That's what we're going to be working with is a busy radar, and that's what we have just now. Our heaviest of rain, we had that rolling through about an hour ago, and you can see that we've made some good progress to continue to move that heaviest rain further north and east. So right now you will find it throughout southeast Michigan, Lenawee County, seeing some of that heavier rainfall, and then also over Lake Erie right now. That's where we had that bound of red there. Well, that's just that heavy rain that's now over the water, but we still are going to be looking at some steadier rain through Wood County. That's going to be headed towards Ottawa and Sandusky counties and going to continue to head out towards Lake Erie. But as we zoom out, you're going to find that we still have more rain on this Sunday because the center of the storm is actually around St. Louis. So once we get through this first outer band of rainfall, we'll have a little bit of a lull with just a few showers in, and then we'll have another round around lunchtime that we'll have of rainfall to push in, and then we actually have another bout of dry air that's going to be pushing through as well. So there's a lot of structure to keep this timing on track, and you will see that here on the hour-by-hour forecast with the heaviest of rain, what we're working with now. That pushes on out here this morning. Here we go at lunchtime with that second round of rain. That's going to be here at times. We will have that steady rainfall, and we'll also have gusty winds then once we get into the afternoon. We'll have the wet weather to go with it, so it's just kind of a kind of day out there. We will continue to keep the rainfall through dinner time, and then it dries out. So then by Monday, we'll have dry, easy weather to get to work and school. However, it will be fairly cloudy. Now, we've been working with a pretty dry autumn, so the rainfall that we're picking up, the heaviest of rain will be through southeast Michigan, further west, where we'll be looking at an inch, inch and a half, and then that'll slowly settle with those dry pockets that I was talking about. That'll keep rain totals for some of us to around 3/4 of an inch. Now, I was talking about those gusty winds. We will have winds through all our day, but they'll really start to peak around dinner time, where we'll have wind gusts towards 30 miles per hour. Now, temperatures today and tomorrow will be into the 40s. We do have a few 50s in your forecast to get us through Tuesday and Wednesday, but Wednesday's rainfall will knock temperatures down to be a little bit cooler and a little more of an active pattern for next weekend and early next week. So that's what we will be keeping an eye on here in the Weather Center. Kaylee?